Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for June 26th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's market. We did see another mixed close. The bank stocks really helped the Dow squeak out a small gain of about 15 points or so, while the S&P 500 was up less than a point. Those FANG stocks, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, Google, etc., caused the Nasdaq to close a little lower today, about 18 points or so, while the small caps, the Russell, managed to gain about 2 points. Now, bonds continued their climb up another 48 cents. While it was an interesting day for gold, a huge sell order mistake caused a massive sell-off early in the day, and then gold fought hard to come back as the seller had to purchase back their gold here. It still finished lower by about 1%, but this was all caused by a huge mistake early on in the day. Crude today finishing higher by about 37 cents at the close, continuing to edge up higher here on the futures market, but still we still have not seen a breakout of this inside bar formation. So now we have 3 full sessions here that are completely within the high and low of the June 21st bar. Keep an eye out for a breakout here one way or the other. Now, another one I want to talk about is Costco. Costco, another Amazon victim, once they announced their plan or their buyout of Whole Foods and their quick move into the grocery arena, affected a number of retailers, and Costco was one of them. There we go. I just wanted to bring up my chart. There is the daily chart, and you can see that after gapping hugely lower, it continued to sell off. Now today got a bit of a bounce. A couple of reasons for that. Mainly, this is a nice area of support here for Amazon. Let me draw that in right here. And whether we look at these previous pivot highs and lows to judge support, or we look at the Fibonacci's, we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the 52-week low to the 52-week high, here you can see that we're certainly right within that zone from 38.2% to 61.8%, but actually sitting right around that 50% mark. So there is some nice support here, and this could turn into an opportunity, not just near term, but longer term. Reason why I say that, we could get a nice bounce here. We will have to break above this moving average, though. So we'll have to pay attention to whether this is just a temporary retracement before a continuation of that move lower, or whether it can turn into something longer term. For that, you want to look at the weekly chart. Let me remove these drawings here. And you can see that the weekly certainly is in that support. Momentum has gone flat. But if we look at the monthly, you know, we haven't even made it back to that upslope in 20 just yet. So although the sell-off looks a lot more dramatic on the daily, it certainly doesn't look anywhere near as dramatic on the weekly or the monthly. So keep Costco on your watch list. If support holds, look for some sort of reversal sign here on the monthly. And it could be, since we're not done the month yet, this candle hasn't completed yet. Okay, if we start bouncing here and we leave a long tail behind on the monthly, that could be a very strong telltale sign for what's to come in the months ahead. Costco is still a very, very strong stock, and you know, on news usually there is an overreaction. So if that's what this is on Costco, this could turn into a very nice opportunity. So keep that on your watch list for future setups. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.